Hello everyone, welcome to today's practical tutorial on land use land cover mapping using Google Earth Engine. But first, why is LULC important? So LULC map, land use land cover map, tell us how land is being used, whether it's forest, grassland, cropland, built-up area, water or wetlands. This information is critical for urban planning, environmental monitoring, agriculture and climate studies. With LULC maps, we can calculate the area of each land cover type, monitor deforestation or plan sustainable development project. So today we will do a step-by-step practical in GEE, and by the end of this video you will have your own LULC map for any US county just by changing the county and state code. So let's get started. So first we define the county and the state we want to analyze. Variable county name, and variable state underscore FIPS. Basically, FIPS is the official code of US state. So by changing these two values, the entire script will work for any county in the USA. This makes the script fully reusable. So next is we load the Tiger 2018 US county. This dataset contains boundaries for all US counties. Then we filter it using two condition. Two condition is county name and state FIPS. Variable counties filter with the name of county name and the state code. We use map.center object to zoom the map of a county and map.add layer to show the county boundary in red color. Boundary in red color, you will use your own desired color. So next we load the ESA WorldCover 2021 dataset. ESA WorldCover. Then dot first select the latest image from the collection. Dot select map, choose the land cover classification band. Dot clip county geometry, restrict the data to our county. This step is curricular because we don't want to process the entire globe, only our county. It makes the computation faster and more efficient. Next is WorldCover classes. So WorldCover classes has many land cover classes. To make it easier to understand, we simplify them into 9 main types. 1, 2, 3 to 9 main types. Tree cover, shrubland, grassland, and so on. We use remap to convert the remap remap to convert the original WorldCover codes into our simplify code 1 to 9 into our simplify code. Then we rename the band of LULC so it's easy to identify. So here we are going to visualization our map. We assign color to each land type for clear visualization. Tree cover color palette is here. Shrubland, grassland, cropland, build-up area, snow, ice, wetland. So here map dot layer show the LULC map over our country. This visualization help us quickly identify which area are forest, which area are cropland, grassland, built-up area, snow, ice, water, and wetland. So next is area calculation. To calculate the area of each land cover class, we first use ee.image pixel area to get the area of each pixel. Where we then add the LULC band and use reduce region with a group sum reducer. This give us the total area in square meter for each land cover type. You can use this information for planning, environmental monitoring, or research. Next thing is export GeoTIFF. We export the LULC map as a GeoTIFF. This allows us to use the map in QGIS, ArcGIS, or other GIS software. The scale of 10 ensure it matches the world cover 10-meter resolution. EPG, EPSG makes the map compatible with most GIS application. Exporting is important if you want to share your map or use it in report. And next is legend. Finally, we add a legend in the bottom right corner of the map. Each color corresponds to a land cover type. This legend makes the map easy to interpret, especially for presentation. So our script is ready to use. Now run the script and check the result. So here is our county, Texas County, Harris County, and here is our data for map. One thing, please remember, this script is reusable. Just change the county name and state FIPS code, and you can create LULC map for any county in the USA. For example, I'm going to change California 06 and the California County Los Angeles, Los Angeles, and run the script. See, just change the county name and state FIPS code. You will see the result. And in the task, Los Angeles LULC map, let's search another county, San Diego, for example. San Diego. Make sure the spelling. So here is San Diego result. So this is our LULC map analysis. If you found this informative, please like, share, and subscribe.